everybody, this is CHEWY from Off-Leash K9 Training, Clarksville and Nashville, Tennessee. Here we have Jovi, aka Bon Jovi. He is a 10-month-old German Shepherd. Yes, I said 10 months. This dude is a monster. Comes here for our aggressive board and training package. Jovi's got some serious aggression towards dogs, people, everything like that. Clip him up. Mom uses a gentle leader. It's not doing as much as she wants it to do. Obviously, he's just got some real aggression. Pretty smart dude. We had a rough morning this morning, just kind of trying to bite me, growling at me and everything like that. So we're gonna take it slow for the first couple of days and earn this guy's trust. But let's see what Mom and the family has worked on. Jovi, can you sit? Very good boy. Can you down? Can you down? No? How about this? Can you get out and sit? No, just sniffing it. Okay. Good sit though. I can see you going into a sit. Good boy. Yes, very good boy. Yes, thank you for the licks. So as you can see, he's very motioning towards me, very kind of pushy, everything like that most German Shepherds are doing. But check back in these 3 short weeks and see how this gorgeous guy does. Jovi.
These golden sunsets sinking down in Hunter Green, on the edge of the country scene. Those lights are too bright down there, man, for a good old boy like me. So when the raging river hits and the current's too strong, I'll be drifting, living out my where the world has life and the dogs run wild and the chickens still crow and the clay still flies, where the porch still crowded with my day one friends and my brothers drive any truck I got. I'm proud to be from Tennessee. My favorite shirt has the arms cut out with a couple old tobacco stains. I've burned up every Kenny Chesney album, drinking Coors Light, getting sunburnt on a